Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. I am from AdvancedNet Academy. Hello friends, today I am going to tell you how to make a progress report in Excel. First of all, you have to select your cells. After selecting the cells, go to your Insert tab and click on the checkbox option. After that, you have to apply your formula. So let's see how to apply the formula you want. After clicking cell, write equal to count if and open the bracket and click the cells rows Monday to Friday, comma, true, and close the bracket. After comma, count if, open the bracket and again rows select Monday to Friday, then close the bracket and enter. Can you drag it to all cells? After running this formula, you have to convert this column into percentage. To convert the percentage, you have to go to the journal tab option of the home tab. After that, you have to select here from it. If you want the text to be centered, so you can do that using center alignment. You can also show this progress in the data bar so that you can understand the data better. If you want to stay connected with us, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.